Okay, students, let's go ahead and get started on video 11. So, taking a look at our lesson. All right. All right. I'm going to stick this guy up here out of the way, and I'm going to scroll to the tippy top. So, in our document, we're currently working on part 11. So, I will scroll down till I see the instructions for part 11. Now, obviously, you don't get this sheet. This is on the video for you to follow. Okay. So in part 11, what we're going to do, all right, is we're going to look at the design requirements. So we're going to do when an organ system is dragged across the screen, a description of that organ will appear at the bottom of the screen. The components needed, we're going to need a label, organ description label. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So we're going to go into MIT App Inventor. We'll stick this over here out of the way for right now. Okay. All right. We'll scroll up to the top and go to the designer. All right. So I've already added mine, but we're going to add another one for you. So we're going to click on label and we're going to drop it below, right there below the start and reset button. And you'll see it says text for label. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. All right. So we're going to click on label and we're going to drop it right there below that. All right. We are going to scroll down and we are going to rename that. All right. We're going to rename that organ description label. Okay. All right. So what we want to do now is go back into our guide. All right. And we're going to go to fit. All right. So we're going to update the user interface. So in App Inventor, we're going to go over here and we're going to make sure we have our organ description label. We're going to rename it. All right, rename the label. So you'll click on that and click rename and rename it to organ description label. Then you're going to click on it and you're going to look over here. Starting at the top, we're going to go through this. We're going to set our font to bold. Okay. Then we're going to set our font to 14. Okay. Then we're going to set our height to automatic. We're going to set our width to fill parent. And we're going to set our text to organ description with a colon there at the end of it. And a space. Okay. All right. So in here, we're going to set it to organ description. And we'll put a little space there at the end of it. Okay. And you'll see that it shows up over here. Okay. All right. So that took care of the things we had to change inside of our designer. So now we want to start updating the block views. Now, what do we want to happen? When an organ system dragged event happens, we want to set the organ description, organ system label text to show the correct description. What that means is we want to add this block to our dragged event handler for each of these. All right, so we're going to go into this. We're going to go over to here and we're going to choose blocks. Now I've already added mine, but I'm going to show you what you're going to do. You're going to scroll down to organ description. You're going to scroll down to you see set organ description to text. You're going to pop that right in there. And you're going to go up to your text and you're going to put an empty block in. Just like that. Okay? All right. You are going to right click and duplicate that 4 times. Okay? Okay, so you want to create 4 of these. Why? Because you have 4 body systems. Okay, all right. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to copy this text right here into each of these. This one for the brain, this one for the digestive system. Now, how do we get this? You don't have to type them. If you go over to Build an App, there is a document called Organ System Description. If you click on that, you can highlight the information right out of here. You'll copy that, you'll go to App Inventor, and you'll paste it right in that block. Okay? All right. Now, once you have those things copied in, what you're going to do is you're going to move these from their position into the description for the, into the dragged event handler for the brain. You're going to do the same thing for the respiratory system, same thing for the digestive system. Okay, so you want to make sure you copy one of these in each of your labels, and you copy the text off of this document right here into those for each one. So this for the respiratory system, this for the brain, this for the digestive system, and this for the urinary system. Okay? All right, so if we go back over here, that is all the changes that we've made. Okay? All right, so we just double check, and we can see that we have everything we need in here on this one. Okay? So this is a relatively short video as well. All right, but this is a way we can check behind ourselves. Okay? All right, good job, students. Video complete.